Hi, I'm Jeff Birtwistle, Managing Director of Cappagh Browne. We manage and maintain the sewer networks across the southeast of England. As Managing Director with over 30 years experience in heavy civils, construction, nuclear and utilities, I'm constantly looking for innovation and new technology, and MSA is one of those absolutely key and invaluable partners that we are working with. The configurability of the MSA ALTAIR IO4 gas detector connected to the grid gives our supervisors the real-time data that they need to manage our workforce, add that extra layer of safety that allows them to keep our most valuable assets, our people, safe.
Hi, my name's Matt Reed and I'm Head of Fleet for Cappagh Browne. We as a business are able to offer real-time monitoring to all of our guys on site to keep them safe throughout that day. Our old devices were unable to do that. The IO4 helps us establish what person we would need to use on the particular job. We can look at their exposure that they've had through the week. We're able to live monitor our guys on the ground, and in the last 3 months since having the IO4s, we've not had one alarm.
We have over 350 people out there working on disconnected sites, so being able to look at that data remotely on the grid platform is really important to us to demonstrate our compliance.
The advantages for us as a business with the IO4 is when it rains, we can put one person on one job. If that person then needs help, we can send a second man in with an ID tag to fob on to the same device, and we can then track both people safely within that 7-day period. It's got an alert button. We've had an instance where a guy was actually physically locked out of his vehicle. He's pushed the button, didn't have access to his phone. We're able to get a second set of keys over to him and unlock his vehicle. The additional monitoring that we can do is via the app. If there is a notification of exposure or an alert that the worker is in need of help, it can be notified on your phone in real time. We are able to find out exactly where that person is and help them when needed.
Being able to get immediate feedback from the MSA gas monitor to say that the exposure limit is being exceeded and that we can intervene on their behalf is really a fantastic thing that we get out of the MSA gas detector.
Using the IO4 helps us as a business send our employees home to their families every night, because Cappagh Browne need to see them in the morning.